Primetime News tonight.
Until now, everybody still not feel good. All this happen.
Clarendon robbery victim speaks out. Armed robbers strike again in Junction St. Elizabeth. And back in the hot seat, CMU president grilled at PAAC.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, it's a Wednesday, so we have our staple, but this time it's good news. Gas prices are going down, and I'll tell you by how much later in the business day.
And of course, lots happening in the world of sports, and Jermaine Brown has our preview, Jerry.
Well, thank you, Janella. As you know, the World Athletics Championships is all the way down in September in Qatar. And as a result, the J3A says the senior athletes will be monitored all the way down to September until the championships. We'll have the full details when you come back.
Okay, thanks, Jermaine. There's also a sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, what do you think of the Caribbean Maritime University's CMU's decision to remove Dr. Andrew Wheatley's name from a building at that institution?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
Primetime News headlines.